Everyone should have the opportunity to go to work without fear of violence or harassment. The Occupational Health and Safety Act of Ontario protects workers and sets clear roles and responsibilities to ensure this. Workplace violence is the exercise of physical force by a person against a worker in a workplace that causes or could cause physical injury to the worker. An attempt to exercise physical force, a statement or behavior that is reasonable for a worker to interpret as a threat. Workplace harassment is engaging in a course of vexatious comment or conduct against a worker. Workplace sexual harassment is engaging in a course of vexatious comment or conduct against a worker in a workplace because of sex, sexual orientation, and gender identity or gender expression, or making a sexual solicitation or advance where the person making this is in a position to grant or deny a benefit or advancement. Workers must notify their employer immediately of incidents, including those involving risk of domestic violence that could enter the workplace. They also have the right to refuse work if there is a danger of workplace violence. Employers must conduct a violence risk assessment and determine the risk based on the general physical workplace and the type, nature, and conditions of work performed. They must prepare a workplace violence and harassment policy that identifies the roles and responsibilities of all parties, that is signed and dated by the highest level of management, and is reviewed and updated annually. Finally, they must prepare a workplace violence and harassment program that includes measures and procedures that cover controlling risk, reporting incidents, conducting investigations, and provide instruction to managers and supervisors so they can effectively respond to threats and incidents. In the time of COVID-19, we must be more vigilant about workplace violence and harassment. Employers need to provide staff with training, including definitions, reporting, and de-escalation techniques in dealing with aggressive customer behavior. This is also a time to look out for each other and be aware of any signs that indicate the possibility of mental health issues such as depression and anxiety and the potential for increased domestic violence.